Hey guys, Jacob here at the ePoolSupply. Today it's a quick recommendation. So today, if you've got a Caretaker 5-port valve and you're looking to swap it out with something that has a little bit better flow, something easier to maintain, doesn't have a complicated gear kit inside of it, we highly recommend going to this A&A 5-port top feed assembly. This is a direct replacement on the plumbing side, so all you have to do is cut the bottom pipes nice and even. This will literally slide onto the Caretaker plumbing, and it makes it so much better. A&A has redesigned this valve. They used to be tan, kind of like this color right here. Tan signified glue-in flaps. These new black ones are push-in flaps. These things are so easy to work on and the flow is incredible. So again, if you have an old Caretaker, we highly recommend this A&A 5-port top feed valve. It's a great replacement. Check out the links below, and we have direct links so you can buy it. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.